Prestige Student Living identified a shortage of purpose-built student accommodation in Edinburgh and decided to submit plans for 2 5-story student accommodation buildings. It was crucial that the project was completed within the specified timeframe, and so a modular construction technique was the preferred option. There was a requirement for a quick, convenient and recyclable connection from one side of the modular units to ensure increased speed of installation while maintaining environmental and sustainability standards. Hollo-Bolt, the original expansion bolt from Lindapter, was specified for connecting the modules together on site, using pre-drilled steel plates and angle brackets, due to its versatility, including speed of installation from one side and its design for deconstruction credentials. Installation was quick and easy. Each modular unit was lifted by crane and carefully stacked on top of each other and connected using hollow bolts inserted through the steel plates and angle brackets into pre-drilled holes of the modular units. Countersunk head hollow bolts, size M16, were used on the bracket interface between the steel modular units and concrete lift core, while hexagonal head hollow bolts, size M20, were used in conjunction with pre-drilled plates to fix modules in the vertical plane. Additionally, countersunk head hollow bolts were selected to secure horizontal floor plates to attach the modules horizontally with minimal bolt head protrusion. Hollow bolts, along with the modular construction technique, facilitated the fast construction of the first 5-story student accommodation building, allowing the project to be completed on time. The widespread adoption of Hollo-Bolt for connecting modular buildings demonstrates how Lindapter's expansion bolt streamlines construction by eliminating the necessity for labor-intensive and costly on-site processes like welding, cutting, or through-bolting. Key benefits: fast, convenient installation from one side. Safer installation as no hot works required. No specialist equipment required to install. Unique high clamping force design. For more information, visit the case study section on our website.